morning, namaskar.
And welcome to today's news bulletin. Let's dive into the latest news. This is Ms. Twinkle Dheer,
And this is Shreya Ingle.
and you are watching New India Government High School and Junior College Chandrapur News Bulletin.
Guru Nanak Jayanti celebration at New India Convent High School and Junior College. New India Convent High School Junior College celebrated Guru Nanak Jayanti, the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, on November 5th with great religious dedication and zeal. The celebration highlighted Guru Nanak Dev Ji's core teachings, doing good deeds, praying daily, and sharing with everyone. President of the school, Prakash Kaur Dheer, delivered a speech emphasizing Guru Nanak Ji's principles. Students were guided on the importance of respectful observance, such as covering their heads and joining hands during Shabad Kirtan and Mool Mantra recitations. The assembly aimed to instill values of universal brotherhood, harmony, sharing, and collaboration among the children, reflecting the belief realization of truth is higher than all else. Higher still is truthful living.
High School celebrates Children's Day. New India Convent High School celebrated Children's Day with great enthusiasm and joy on November 14. The day marks the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was affectionately known as Chacha Nehru. His philosophy that children are the future builders of the nation and require love and care was the spirit of this celebration. The school decided the day entirely to the students, filling it with laughter, excitement, fun, and frolic to ensure every child felt special and valued.
Commemorating Dharti Abha Bhagwan Birsa Munda, our school successfully observed Janjatiya Gaurav Pakhwara to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of the revered tribal freedom fighter Dharti Abha Bhagwan Birsa Munda. Through various activities, students were inspired by his life ideals, fostering a spirit of inclusivity, equality, and pride in India's rich tribal heritage. Special Assembly in homage. The commemoration culminated in a special assembly on November 15th, Birsa Munda Jayanti. Students began the assembly by paying solemn floral tribute to the great warrior. Siddhika Vadai of class 9 presented a heartfelt speech, and history teacher Sanjana Madam guided the students on Birsa Munda's life, explaining his pivotal role in the Ulgulan Great Tumult movement and his courageous fight against colonial oppression. This initiative successfully reinforced the values of this exceptional freedom fighters, encouraging students to embody his principles.
Tribute to Shahid Kartar Singh Saraba. On November 16, a day commemorated as the Martyrdom Day of Shahid Kartar Singh Saraba. Rich tributes were paid to the young revolutionary. Saraba was one of the country's youngest martyrs, having attained martyrdom at the tender age of 19 years. The school president, Mrs. Prakash Kaur Dheer Madam, delivered a moving address stating that the country remains indebted to the martyrs for their supreme sacrifice, and emphasizing that the sacrifice made by Saraba would act as a beacon to inspire the youth to serve the nation. As part of the Parvi Wankhede, a student from class 7th B, delivered a heartfelt speech adding her voice to the commemoration of the great martyr.
POXO and Child Protection Seminar. On November 17th, our school, in collaboration with the Bharatiya Stree Shakti Sanghatna, successfully hosted a crucial and impactful seminar on the protection of children from sexual offense, POXO Act 2012, and general child protection awareness. The event was designed to sensitize students and staff about critical safety measures and legal provisions, aiming to foster a safer school environment. Advocate Varsha Jamdar, the speaker, provided a detailed overview of the POXO Act, clarifying its provisions, defining various offences, and highlighting the legal rights of the child and serve punishments for perpetrators. The comprehensive seminar equipped all stakeholders with the essential knowledge needed to identify, prevent, and respond effectively to potential child abuse incidents. The program was anchored by Preeti Ramteke Madam. This initiative underscores our commitment to ensure the safety and security of all students.
मुक्ति अभियान। न्यू इंडिया कॉन्वेंट हाई स्कूल में विशेष कार्यक्रम। न्यू इंडिया कॉन्वेंट हाई स्कूल जूनियर कॉलेज में 18 नवंबर को नशा मुक्ति अभियान के तहत एक विशेष कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया। कार्यक्रम का उद्देश्य छात्र छात्राओं को नशे के दुष्प्रभावों के प्रति जागरूक करना था। इसकी शुरुआत शिक्षिका संजना मैडम और रूपाली मैडम के उद्बोधन से हुई, जिन्होंने बच्चों को नशा मुक्ति के महत्व और इसके सामाजिक एवं पारिवारिक दुष्परिणामों के बारे में बताया। इस दौरान विद्यालय के सभी छात्र छात्राओं को नशा मुक्त रहने और समाज में जागरूकता फैलाने की शपथ दिलाई गई। प्रधानाध्यापिका वैशाली जेनेकर मैडम ने छात्राओं को संबोधित करते हुए कहा कि नशा हमारे स्वस्थ, परिवार और अब भविष्य को नुकसान पहुंचाता है, इसलिए बचपन से ही इसके खिलाफ जागरूक होना आवश्यक है।
संविधान दिनानिमित्त विशेष कार्यक्रम। चंद्रपूर येथे अनुगामी लोकराज्य महाअभियान आणि भारतीय स्त्री शक्ती चंद्रपूर यांच्या संयुक्त विद्यमाने संविधान दिनानिमित्त कार्यक्रमाचे आयोजन न्यू इंडिया कॉन्व्हेंट मध्ये करण्यात आले होते। या कार्यक्रमात अनुलोमचे श्रीहरी शेंडे, गौरव पारखे आणि सुष्मिता दडमकर या तिघांनी संविधान या विषयावर चर्चा केली। यावेळी विद्यार्थ्यांनी प्रश्न विचारून सहभाग नोंदवला। संविधानाचा स्वीकार होऊन 75 वर्षे झाली, त्यानिमित्ताने हा अमृत महोत्सवी वर्षातील एक उत्तम कार्यक्रम सादर झाला। वक्तांनी सोप्या भाषेत मार्गदर्शन केले आणि संविधानाच्या संकल्पना समजावून सांगितल्या। संविधानाच्या सुरुवातीला जी उद्देशिका म्हटल्या जाते ती कुमारी मनप्रीत राठोड आणि चंदना कुबडे या दोन विद्यार्थ्यांनी चाल लावून गाऊन अतिशय सुंदररित्या सादर केली। त्याबद्दल अनुलोम संस्थेतर्फे त्यांचे कौतुक करण्यात आले। विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये असलेले शिस्त, शांतता आणि त्यांनी दाखवलेली एकोप्याची भावना खरोखरच कौतुकास्पद होती।
To Hindi Chadar, Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. On November 24th, our school community, including New India students and staff, convened a special assembly to observe the solemn occasion of the 350th Martyrdom Day of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, relevantly known as Hindi Chadar, the Shield of India. The atmosphere was filled with reverence and devotion as heartfelt tributes were paid to the ninth Sikh Guru. The assembly highlighted his life and supreme sacrifices for upholding the fundamental principles of freedom, faith, and human dignity, reminding all present of the profound significance of his stand against oppression. The event served as a powerful reflection on his inspiring teachings and unwavering commitment to humanity.
Literary events kick off under Beyond the Horizon theme. The literary calendar at our school officially began with the inauguration of literary events on November 24th, celebrated under the inspiring theme Beyond the Horizon. The ceremony commenced with the traditional lamp lighting, followed by a beautiful musical rendition by the 10th Prayer Girls, performed the stirring songs Bandyare Bandya and Ashai. The importance of literary event was highlighted before the audience heard from the literary ministers Siddhika Vadai and Aditya Samrutwar, who delivered motivating speeches. The event was smoothly anchored by Ms. Preeti Ramteke. The entire inauguration was successfully organized under the guidance of the in-charge teachers, Ms. Preeti Ramteke, Ms. Sanjana Kontamwar, Ms. Rupa Petkar, Ms. Nisha Jenekar, and Ms. Reena Bhagat.
चंद्रपूरमध्ये बालवैज्ञानिकांचे प्रकल्प प्रदर्शन। आमच्या न्यू इंडिया कॉन्व्हेंट हायस्कूल चंद्रपूर शाळेत नुकताच झालेल्या तालुकास्तरीय विज्ञान प्रदर्शनात 90 शाळांमधील 110हून अधिक बालवैज्ञानिकांनी आपल्या प्रकल्पांचे सादरीकरण केले। शिक्षणाधिकारी श्री राजेश पाटले सर यांच्या हस्ते या प्रदर्शनाचे उद्घाटन करण्यात आले। यावेळी गट विकास अधिकारी श्रीमती संगीता भांगरे मॅडम, उपशिक्षणाधिकारी मनोज गोरकर सर आणि सहाय्यक गट विकास अधिकारी पुंडलिक पाल यासारखे मान्यवर उपस्थित होते। या उपक्रमांमुळे विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये विज्ञान आणि तंत्रज्ञानाची आवड वाढण्यात आली। कार्यक्रमाचे प्रास्ताविक गट शिक्षणाधिकारी पंचायत समिती श्री धनपाल फटिंग सर यांनी केले, तर प्रीती रामटेके मॅडम आणि श्रीमती संजना कोंतमवार मॅडम यांनी उत्तमरित्या सूत्रसंचालन केले। That's all for now. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep shining and keep making a difference. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day ahead.